All right, good day, guys, and welcome once again to Edgicon Climax Infotech. And this video, we're going to learn how to host a static website on your Google Drive for free. Yes, I mean how to host your static website on Google Drive for free. Now, let's say you have your website duly designed. Let's say this is my website, so this folder contains my website. This is my portfolio website. So this is my portfolio website, and I have my index file. I have my CSS files here, and I have my images here. So this is CSS file, and then these are my images for the site, and then this is JavaScript. Okay, and then this is the index file. So let's actually run this site on my local machine and see how it looks like. Then we will try to host it or publish it live on our Google Drive for free. So let me launch it. So basically, this is the site. It's a very simple portfolio website, and then I have my menu at the sidebar here. So this is home, this is about me, services. Okay, so portfolio, blocks, and then contact page. Okay, so now guys, before we continue, let me also caution that this trick will only work for static websites. It won't work for those who develop websites on content management system like Drupal, WordPress, and the likes. So if you have your simple website like this, then let's get rolling. All right, so the first thing to do is to upload the entire folder onto your Google Drive. So with Google Drive, so far as you have a Gmail account, let me open my Gmail. This is my Gmail account, and so far as you have a Gmail account, you should have Google Drive. So if you log into your Gmail, just go to the more apps icon here, or the Google Apps icon here, click on it, and then straight away you go to Drive. So you go to Drive. Good. So now this is my Google Drive associated with the Google account I'm using right now, and we need to upload the entire website, the folder. So what we do is we go to New, click on New, and then you go to Folder Upload. So you click on Folder Upload, and then you look for the folder you are working with. You look for the folder you are working with. So let's go to desktop, and then from desktop we go to look for the site. This is the site Edgicon Portfolio. Edgicon Portfolio. So we click on upload. Okay, so this one is telling you that you're about to upload 16 files to this site. Yes, there are 16 files in the folder, so just go ahead. And because the size is not that much, it won't keep long for the files to upload. So you have 1 minute left. So whilst we wait, let me use this opportunity to solicit for your support by just subscribing to this channel. Just click on the subscription button. It's for free, and then you click on the notification bell and make sure you click on all, so that you receive all tutorials and videos and updates from this channel. Now, so the files are duly uploaded, and then I can close this and let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's look for the folder. It should be somewhere here. This is it, Edgicon Portfolio. So now we are going to use a third-party site to convert this folder into a live website. So what we need to do is to do some basic settings. So you can right click on the folder. Just I'm going to go to share. So it's loading. Now over here we can share with some groups and other people, but we want to share with anyone. So we come here and change this settings, change to anyone with a link. So we want to say that anyone who gets the link can have access to the content, because we want to give permission to the third-party website that we are going to use, the third-party software that we are going to use to do this. So we need to allow permission, and that's what we've done. Make sure you do this. If you don't do this, I'm sorry, what you will do will not work for you. But if you have done this, then that's great. So what we do is we click on done. Okay, now the next thing to do is to go to the portal, or let me say the website that we're going to use to do that, or the app that is going to help us to do that. So we say, you just search for DriveToWeb. DriveToWeb. Okay, so the first link you see here, www.drv.tw, that is DriveToWeb. This one, click on it. Good. So this is what we are going to use. Now over here, in fact, these guys are doing an amazing job. I used this about 5 years ago, and it is still working. I haven't had any issue with them. In fact, they are still working. So DriveToWeb, what we need to do is to choose Google Drive. You can also use OneDrive. If your files are on OneDrive, you can equally do the same thing we're doing, but we are using Google Drive. So click on host on Google Drive. Host on Google Drive. Host on Google Drive. So you would have to sign in with the Drive account that you have your file. So I'm going to sign into the Drive account. This is a Drive account. So I'm signing into this one. Okay, then I'll allow. Good. Now it is scanning through all the files I have on my drive and see which one that has the permission to be turned into a website. You see, there are a lot of links here, a whole lot. So you see, I've done a lot, and so I'm going to go through and look for the one that I am working on right now. So that one is the Educon portfolio. So this is it. This is the one I'm working on right now. So let me open it. Click on it to open, and let's see if it is the one. So let's see, Educon, boom. So this is it. Now this website is live. It's live. If you give anyone this link, they can access the website. But the issue is, will you be comfortable giving this long URL to someone? I don't think it's advisable. So let's look at how we can make this one, the URL, look very simple. In fact, copy, and then just go to my site, seo.educonclimbers.com, this one. Okay, so if you come to seo.educonclimbers.com, you can actually shorten your URL if it is long. I advise you log in, because if you log in, you actually have other services that you might not have if you are not logged in. So sign up and log in, create an account and log in to this place. So I'm going to log in. I have an account already, so I'll log in. Yes, so I've been logged in, and now what I need to do is to paste the URL here, the long URL here. So it's very long, very long. So you know that it's coming to the, see, very long. So what I'm going to do is to go to advanced, then it is going to, the URL will be seo.educonclimbers.com/something, but I don't want the system to generate automatic path for the file. So I am going to give it very simple. So I'll say portfolio. Okay, so now what I mean is I want the URL to be seo.educonclimbers.com/portfolio. So shorten. Alright, okay, so it looks like this alias has been taken, so I have to change it. So I will, instead of portfolio, let's make it site.site/site. So I'll say shorten, and it's working now. It's processing. Good, it has worked. So now this is the new URL, https://seo.educonclimbers.com/site. So this one looks very simple. Instead of the long URL. We have the GDT1 AM A2P. In fact, nobody will be able to remember this, but this one is pretty cool. We can copy this, so URL copied, and you can give this URL to anyone. So let me paste it here, so it will still take me to the site. But you know, when it takes us it changes to the actual link. So that's how URL shorteners they work. So now my new link is this. I can give this one to anyone that will visit this site, scu.educalclimate.com/site, and then they should be able to access this file. So if you don't have a hosting account, if you don't have a domain name, and you have a static website that you really want to share with people, then I recommend this trick for you. It's free, no cost, and it is, awesome. So guys, this is where we end today's tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then click on the notification bell. Also, give me comments, in the next tutorial that you want to see, and then I will be glad to do a video for you. See you next time. Stay blessed. Bye bye.